Hey folks, so in this tutorial I'm just going to give you an introduction to the basic layout of RStudio and I'm going to show you how to set up a project, which will be the most important setup. That's basically the only setup that you'll have to do. So this is RStudio. When you finished installing RStudio, you open it up. There might be some initial setup, and then this is what you'll see. There's a couple of things here. So this is the console. This is where R actually lives. This is where you can type in commands to get R to do stuff for you. You can see here it says R version blah blah blah. This is the environment. It's currently empty. That will change later. And this is where your graphs and so on will show up. And similarly also your documentation will show up, and my face is kind of like overlaid on that, but that's fine. So to set up a project, you want to go over here where it says project none. Click on that and go new project. The reason you want to set up a project, by the way, is just so that you keep all of your stuff organized together. So if you stop working on it, you come back to it and it's all still there. It also sorts out some directory issues. So it's just a good idea, basically. So we're going to make a new directory. And it's going to be a new project. And we're going to put it in some folder. Let's say Year 10 Maths. Let's make a new folder. In Year 10 Maths, we'll put test memory game, something like that. I'm going to create our folder there, create project. And now it's just switching to project, it's doing all the setup, and should be done in no time. Shouldn't take long. Cool, so that's all done. Now, all that's done is it's created an empty project. Now we need to put some stuff in there. So the first thing we want to put in there is our data, and then we're going to make an empty file, but I'll show you how to do that in the next video.